At the end of the day, you come to your bedroom, switch off the light, and nothing. You tried to sleep but you couldn't. Time passes, but it's still awakened. If this is your story, then this video is for you. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Talat and welcome to The OT. Insomnia is a sleep disorder in which you have trouble falling or staying asleep. The condition can be short term or can last a long term. It may also come and go. Most cases of insomnia are related to poor sleeping habits, depression, anxiety, lack of exercise, chronic illness. Scientific research makes clear that sleep is essential at any age. Sleep powers the mind, restores the body, fortifies virtually every system in the body. So, it's important to sleep and have at least 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep. Don't stress out about this. Practice the following tips which I am going to share with you. First of all, check your environment. The temperature of your room should not be very high or very low, as it might disturb you and may disturb your sleep pattern as well. Cold environment is more sleep friendly environment as compared to the warm one. Take a hot shower before sleep. It relaxes your muscle and lightens your body. Avoid any caffeine at least 2 hours before sleep. Now let's start the meditation. Lie down on your bed, feet apart and at side or on your tummy. Head comfortably at side. Relax your tongue inside the mouth. Remember, when you try meditation for sleep, be patient with yourself. A meditation practice is just that, a practice. Start by meditating for 3 to 5 minutes before bed. Over time, slowly increase the time to 15 to 20 minutes. It will take time to learn how to quiet your mind. Close your eyes and breathe slowly. Notice the weight of your body on the bed. Focus on your face, soften your jaw, eyes and facial muscles. Move to your neck and shoulders. Relax them. Continue down your body, moving to your arms and fingers. Continue to your stomach, back, hips, legs and feet. Notice how each part feels. If your mind wanders, slowly shift your focus back to your body. If you like, you can repeat in the opposite direction from your feet to your head. Keep your eyes closed. Breathe slowly. Inhale and exhale deeply. Focus on your belly button. And now at the center of your eyes, keep your eyes closed. Body relaxed. Keep focusing. You're enjoying your air. Inhale and exhale. You are away from all the stress. You are a free soul. Want to sleep for a healthy mind and body. You deserve it. Keep breathing, relaxing. Inhale, exhale, slowly. Do not stress out. Keep all your muscles relaxed on your bed. Don't open your eyes. Keep your eyes closed. We are beginning the sound healing process. try lavender, orange, neroli, or chamomile essential oil. These oils are sedative, calming, tension relieving oils to help relaxation. Place 2 to 4 drops of essential oil on the pillow to encourage sleep. Or add up to 5 drops of essential oil to the bath. Using the same oil blend as for massage reinforces the sedative effect. Practice these methods on daily basis and enjoy deep sleep. And don't forget to share with others and comment down your experience. I hope you found this video useful. I wish you a very healthy life.